This video explains how to buy shares of Ohio Valley Banc Corp, ticker OVBC. Ohio Valley Banc Corp is a regional bank trading on NASDAQ, focused on community and commercial banking. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OVBC to locate the listing. Confirm you selected the Ohio Valley Banc Corp entry for NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent price action. Double-check the name, ticker OVBC, and NASDAQ exchange to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.